Good afternoon, everyone. This is Anthony, Wall Street Trader. It's 1:35 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Wednesday, November 3rd, 2021. This is not financial advice. It's educational. Click the subscribe, the bell, click the thumbs up, share the video with your friends and colleagues. We're talking about Nucypher, Keep, and the incoming Threshold Network. Intraday updates on that Twitter link below. Straight into the price action. We are certainly on a consolidation path here on Nucypher and starting to look a little tasty here. From as I'm seeing it now. Again, we have that support line at 88 cents. We're kind of like bouncing over, bouncing down, and bounced off it again. Next level support, if we should bounce through this, or sorry, drop through the 87, 88 cent line of support, we could be down to 73 cents at some point, but hard to say. I'm going to let this ferment for the next week for myself, and then make a decision whether I want to make a trade or not. But right now, as it stands, I'm not in Nucypher or Keep, but I'm keeping my eye on both. In the meantime, we do have a resistance line of about $1. So assuming we can get back over that dollar, then we have another line of resistance sitting at $1.08, and then ultimately $1.25. So as this continues to coil around in this channel, which has been going on now over a week and change, let's look over at Nucypher Bitcoin. Same kind of concept. We do have a line of support still on or about the 1430 range. We also have a line of resistance around 1491. And this has been going on almost a few days now. So we'll have to see how this thing starts. If we can get over 1493 and stay over for a couple of days, I think I'd feel more comfortable in terms of Nucypher's getting its footing in its new altitude. In the meantime, going over to Keep US dollar, we are, we've come down. We started making a W pattern here clearly, popped all the way up to 84 cents and pulled all the way back down. Now we're still roughly around that area of support around 69 cents. So we did have a nice little boost yesterday, but, we hit resistance and came back down. We kind of knew this was going to be the resistance area. I think we'll probably bounce off the 69 cent range. And let's go to Keep Bitcoin and figure out why. Well, for certain, I think this here is, we definitely have limited downside at 1043 based on recent price action, as well as resistance up here at 1221. I think we could churn a little bit, but what's more compelling is what's going on in the Bitcoin market. Back up to 62,541. We have a nice rising line of support that's been going on over the past week and a half. As we continue to coil through this rising line of support, we're also starting to see this thing continue to make a slide. This should be helping all alt to Bitcoin pairs out. Keep Bitcoin would be one to benefit. Nucypher Bitcoin would be one to benefit as well. Those are factors that improve the price appreciation on the underlying, the Nucypher to US dollar pair and the Keep US dollar pair. So keep your eye on the dominance. This thing going down helps the factors of altcoin to Bitcoin pairs, which are ultimately factors in the US dollar version of that. So anyway, I'm out Nucypher US dollar. Again, range bound currently between 88 and 98. And Keep also looking like we're range bound, back to being range bound between 69 and 79. We'll talk soon.